In this tutorial, we're going to rehearse a clip. That means we can actually listen to the clip before we do the actual edit. Let's first try to set some in and out markers.
We just spend hours pressing pause buttons on cassette decks and trying to make samples.
So let's say we want to edit out this area here.
Spend hours
Set an in mark.
pressing pause buttons on cassette decks and
An out mark here. Now if I press Shift Control Spacebar,
when we got tired, we'd just spend hours trying to make samples, sort of.
we see that we rehearse the clip. So we're jumping over the clip here, so we can actually hear what the final edit will sound like before we do any editing. Let's just try that one more time.
When we got tired, we'd just spend hours trying to make samples, sort of.
And that sounds fine, so now I can just do the edits.